Hey guys, hope you're all doing great. Today's episode brings together some strong updates across Bitcoin, AI driven creativity, and developments within the internet computer ecosystem. From major meetups in Asia shaping the Bitcoin finance narrative to a game built with nothing but prompts on Caffeine AI and practical upgrades in messaging, liquidity, and token standards, there is plenty to cover. Now, let's get into it. Bitcoin Asia has wrapped up its Hong Kong conference, and now the spotlight shifts to Shenzhen, where Taiki will host a Bitcoin Fi meetup on 30th August. With support from Bitkit Wallet, Definity, Omnity Network, Qdis Wellness, Xverse, and Rune CC, the event is set to carry the conversation forward on Bitcoin's expanding role in finance. The focus is Bitcoin Fi, liquidity, and the structures that are beginning to emerge around Bitcoin. Organizers are calling it a platform for collaboration, where builders, projects, and communities can shape the narratives defining Asia's growing role in the sector. Shenzhen, with its reputation for energy and innovation, is a fitting backdrop for these discussions. The program includes showcases, thematic presentations, and roundtables, but it also makes room for informal networking, tea breaks, and even merchandise giveaways. The Hong Kong leg demonstrated the appetite for discussion around Bitcoin finance, and Shenzhen is expected to continue that momentum by looking at both today's breakthroughs and tomorrow's opportunities. ICP Hub Argentina has demonstrated just how quickly ideas can be transformed into working products with Caffeine AI. During a live stream, the team created a working game, Capybara Space Invaders, using only two prompts. No code, no complicated setup, just imagination turned into execution. Caffeine AI is positioning itself as a tool where the barrier isn't technical expertise, but creativity itself. For hobbyists, creators, and communities, that means the chance to test and build ideas without needing to learn traditional development skills. Of course, questions remain. Can projects created so quickly sustain quality and long term use? Critics aren't fully convinced yet, but the demo itself has sparked plenty of attention, and the game is available for anyone to try out. It's a strong example of how the distance between an idea and a finished product is shrinking. Keygate has revealed its plans to build a multi-chain liquidity protocol aimed at helping internet computer projects connect with resources across other blockchains. The vision is simple. Projects on ICP should not be limited to one ecosystem. The protocol promises access to more than $300 million in liquidity and support for payments in over 10 currencies with only minimal code required. It's being presented as a way to lower technical barriers while expanding ICP's reach across Web3. Supporters believe this could strengthen ICP's position in the wider blockchain space, especially as interoperability becomes a recurring theme. Critics, however, warn that bridging liquidity always raises concerns around security, cost, and complexity. Keygate will need to address those issues directly if it wants widespread adoption. For now, the project is at an early stage and the community is watching closely to see how it unfolds. Windoge has confirmed that EXE ledger migration for ICRC2 support is on the horizon. The team is reviewing the plan, which involves temporarily halting the EXE canister, backing up transaction data, updating the ledger, and replaying more than a million transactions to ensure proper syncing. ICRC2 is designed to make token transfers easier and more compatible across projects on the Internet computer. By aligning with the standard, EXE aims to improve usability and integration within a broader range of applications. The community will be watching closely for the migration date given the scale of the update. Once completed, the upgrade could offer a smoother experience for both users and developers. Dmail has introduced support for the Plasma Testnet, allowing users to send encrypted messages while paying gas fees in stable coins. This shift helps remove reliance on volatile native tokens and creates a more predictable experience for users. The update also includes rewards for early testers, encouraging participation in the trial phase. Looking ahead, Dmail plans to connect with Plasma's stablecoin infrastructure, which could open the door to broader DeFi use cases beyond messaging. For now, users can test the feature directly with tokens from a faucet link, and community feedback will be key to measuring its success. Gmail is positioning itself not just as a secure communication tool, but as a platform that merges messaging with wider decentralized finance activity. That's all for today's episode. A mix of Bitcoin's financial expansion, AI powered creation, and ongoing updates across ICP and Web3 projects. Links to projects and donation details are in the description if you would like to explore or support further. Thanks for watching. See you next time.